Guys, you see this video that is playing right here? I make this video for free using AI without paying for anything. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create something amazing like this video you are seeing right now. This video you are seeing right now, I'm going to show you how you can also create something like this. So before we do that, let me play this video so that you guys will watch it and see how this video is made. Let's watch it together. Now you guys have watched the video and you have seen how the video is. I make this video using my phone and I did not pay for anything. All the AI tools I use are free. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can also create something amazing like what you just watched right now. So if you want to create something like what you just watched right now, make sure you watch this video to the end without skipping any part, because in this video I'm going to show you the step-by-step method which I use to generate the prompt, and also from generating the prompt to generating the image, and also how I converted the image to a video using free AI tools, and how I also apply the sound, how I do everything from beginning to the end. I'm going to show you the method I use right now in this video, so don't skip any part. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button, because in this channel we teach you how you can use AI to create images, how you can use AI to edit videos, how you can use AI to write text, how you can use AI to do anything you want to do with AI. We know AI is taking over right now, so if you want to be learning how you can be using AI, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell, so that when next we drop more videos on how you can be using AI, you should be among of the people to watch those videos. Now let's go dive into it. Let me show you the method I use to create something amazing like what you just watched moment ago. Let's get started together. So right now, let's get started. I'm going to show you from the beginning where you can start to generate your prompt, how you want your video should be, your scene. I will start to show you that or using ChatGPT. I love using ChatGPT to generate my prompt, to generate my scene. So I'll be showing you guys how I use ChatGPT right now to generate my scene, and from the scene to image, and from the image to video. So right now, as you can see, this is what I gave to ChatGPT. Here I said to ChatGPT, write me a short, cinematic, realistic movie of a guy hunted by a crazy gang. The guy is a black American, should always wear red leather jumpsuit, and he is always with a big power motorcycle. So this is what I get ChatGPT, and this is what ChatGPT gave to me. This is the headline. It break everything down. As you can see, it's break everything down. So this is what it gave to me. And after he gave me this, as you can see, the final scene, he gave me everything. So I went ahead and told ChatGPT, I said, give me the image prompt of each movie scene above with consistent character. So as you can see what I said to ChatGPT, now ChatGPT break it down and it gave me image prompt. So as you can see, this is the first prompt of the image which I can generate. I can just copy this and give it to any AI tool that will generate the image for me. Don't worry, I'm going to show you the method which I use to generate this image, the website I use, and after generating the image, how I turned the image to video. I'll also show you in this video. So as you guys can see, you can see now this is the third scene here, the fourth scene here, as you can see, the final scene. So you can just copy this, copy it somewhere and save it somewhere. So after you save it somewhere, then the next thing you are going to do is to go to this website which will help you turn this prompt, each prompt from the text to image. So you are getting everything right. Make sure you follow the step I will be showing you. Don't skip this video. Don't skip or you think you know how to do it. No, make sure you watch the step so that you don't miss everything together. Now, the next thing, we are going to go to this website called, peacelomen.com. So we are using this website to generate our image, and you can generate image on this website for free. You don't need to pay for anything. All you just have to do is just to register. When you register, you start creating your image. So these are my image. As you can see, I've already created the image. So now the next thing you are going to do is just to paste the prompt here. Now, for example, this is our first prompt here. Let's copy it. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to let me click on select. Let me copy this prompt here. As you can see, this prompt, let me click on copied. Now, I need to go back to this website. Then I need to paste my prompt here. After pasting it, I need to select here and make sure it's on 16.9. That is for YouTube. Then I also need to select this place. I need to put this on 2. I want to be getting 2 results, so I can select. And the next thing is to click on this arrow you are seeing here. When I click on this arrow, you are going to see it to start generating my image. Right now, as you can see, it's generating the image already. So you can do this to all the scene. Now, let's just give it some minutes. It's going to generate the image for us. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can make this image a video. Now, as you can see, it has successfully generated the image for us. So as you can see, this is the prompt. So you can select any of this image here. This is the image. You can select any of the image here, anyone you want, as you can see, according to the prompt. Now, when you read the prompt very well, the prompt says a black American in a stained red leather jacket jumpsuit sit on a matte black Yamaha motorcycle under a neon light. So you can just look at the prompt and look at the image, the one that you see that it fits to you, you like it very well. You can just, as you can see, this one is okay. You can just click on it and save it. So now you can do the rest to all your prompt. And after you have done that, you have generated all your image. The next thing you are going to do, there are several AI tools which you can use to convert your image to videos. I'll also show you that right now. So all you just have to do is just to generate all your images, and after you have generated all your images, follow the prompt you created by AI, follow the prompt you created by ChatGPT, you generate your image in this website. And after you have generated all your image, the next thing, you can use this AI tool called allure.com. This AI tool you are seeing right here, you can use this AI tool and it will convert your image to video. You can use it by giving it a prompt. Each prompt, you drop it there and it's going to convert it for you. So now I can use this and I can decide whether to use any AI tool of my choice. But for the sake of this video, the AI tool I used was this one. I use this AI tool, which you are seeing right here, to generate this video. And for you to be able to use this AI tool, you need to register. And after you register, you can start using it for free. Now, when you come to the home page of this website, you are going to see this is how the home page here. You can also generate your image using this website. You don't need to use the other website. You can use this website to generate image. Let me show you how it works right now. Now, let's go copy our prompt. Now, I know our prompt is still uncopied. All I just need to do is just to paste the prompt here. Let me paste the prompt. And after pasting the prompt, the same prompt we paste on the other website. This is the prompt. Now, we click on here to generate our image for us. Now, as you can see, it's generating our image. Now, it's going to generate 4 different types of image for us. And we are going to select anyone we like among of these 4 images. And we can use this website to also convert this image to video. Yes, you can use this website. Right now, it has successfully generated our image for us. Now, as you can see, these are 4 different types of images it just generated for us. As you can see, these are 4 types of different images it generated for us. So you can decide that to use any of these. So as you can see, now let me use this one that you are seeing right here. No, this last one. I love this last one. So the way the guy was standing on the bike, let's use this last one. All you just have to do is just to click on download up here. You see download up here. You click on download and it's going to download to our phone. So right now, to use this app to convert it to video using this image, we have to come to home page here. When you click on home page, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. You are going to see AI image here. Now you are going to see AI video. Now it's not going to work. It's going to tell you that you are not eligible to use AI to video. That is, it is going to tell you to come in soon. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can change it that is going to work right away. And to do this, all you have to do is to go to your Apple Store or Google Play Store, or you have any VPN on your phone. Make sure you connect your VPN to United States, and I will be doing that right away and show you guys how it works right now. So now this is the VPN we are going to use. Let me put my location on United States. Now I've connected the VPN. Now let's go back to the website. Now let's refresh, and when we refresh, you are going to see what I'm talking about. You are going to see that AI video is going to unlock by itself, but except you turn on VPN. And after you turn on VPN, it's going to unlock. And after it's unlocked, you can now start generating your videos for free without paying for anything. It's going to take some little time to refresh because of the VPN connection. So let's just give you some few minutes and it's going to start processing. But meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Because in this channel, we teach you how you can use AI to create images, how you can use AI to also edit photos, edit anything you want to edit with AI right now. So let's come back to the home page. It has refreshed. Now when you click on this AI image, when you click on it, you are going to see that AI video has unlocked. Then you click on it. When you click on it, now you upload your image. The image you just generated moment ago. The image we generated moment ago. Now let's upload the image here. As you can see, this is the image. This is the image. I've uploaded the image. Now just give it a simple prompt. Now I want to change this to VO2 because I want my work to be so fast. Now all you just have to do, you just click on, you just put a prompt. Guy driving in high speed. It's okay. That is the prompt I want to use. So the next thing I'm going to click on generate. Now as you can see, it's generating our video for us right here. As you can see, this is the video, is generating it. Now we just have to wait for some minutes, and after we wait for some minutes, it's going to generate this video for us amazingly, and we are going to see how it works. So you can use this website to generate image and it's going to work perfectly for you. And you can also use the image to video on this website using the method I just show you right now. So you can try it out and it will work for you. Now let's just give this some minutes, and after we give some minutes, it's going to proceed with the image. And after I proceed with the image, I'm going to show you the next step on how you can save this. And after you save it, you are going to use your CapCut and edit this. You can use any video editor to edit it, but right now let's just give it some minutes so that it's going to round up generating our image. It's going to take some little time, just like 3 minutes to 4 minutes, and it's going to generate the video for us. Now let's leave it for some minutes. Now it has successfully generated the video for us. Now let's click on it. As you can see, now let's play it. Save the video. After, now it has successfully generated the video. So after you generate the video, all you have to do, you click on download and it's going to be saved to your phone. Now let me take you guys to CapCut and show you how you are going to edit this. Now this is my CapCut. As you can see, this is CapCut. All you just have to do, let me click on add project here. So these are some of the image generated videos I generated. So for example, this is the one that was playing moment ago. So as you can see, now this is it. As you can see, this is it. So next thing, you click on add new. When you click on add new, as you can see, so the next thing you are going to do, you click on audio here. When you click on audio, you click on sound FS here. You click on it, then you are going to click on search and you search for motorcycle sound. So you are going to see different type of sound here right now. Anyone. So as you can see, so you put the one that matches your scene. As you can see, you can use anyone that matches your scene. I don't like this, you can select another one again. Let's click on search. Now as you can see, so I use this one. Then as you can see, let me play the video so that you guys can use it, listen to the sound and the video together. So you can see. So you guys can see this is how. So you guys can see this is how it's been done. Then after you have import it, you have to import all the scene, then you can save your video and start using your video. That is how I use the method I used to create that amazing video you just watched when this video started. That is the method I just use right now. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if you want this prompt which I just used in this video to create all this, I'll be leaving down the prompt on my Telegram channel, and the link to my Telegram channel will be in the description of this video, or you comment and ask me for the prompt, and I'm going to send you the prompt directly on the comment section. So see you guys on my next video. If you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button for my next video. See you guys on my next video.